So Gary and I have been missing for a couple of weeks. Where have we been? And what has changed? Well, this is the state of my old cooking area. As you can see, it was quite messy. Not put together very well, but it had everything I needed. So we did a thing, and we had the house painted, and during having the house painted, we had to take everything off the walls. I had to move the cooking station and everything involved into the middle of the deck here. And when I went to put it back, I decided I wanted to do things differently. And so this is the new cooking station. And you can see that something is missing. I got rid of the grill. It was just a big mess maker. So I moved this cabinet over to here. I still have the old cooler that I use as a warming spot. Still have my Blackstone. And I still have my Davy Crockett. Or do I? What did I do next? And this is what I did. Davy is gone. And now we have a Ninja. It's the Ninja Woodfire XL Pro Connect, I think is what it's called. And I've done a couple of cooks on it. And it's pretty darn good. It's a smoker. Does everything. Let's see if you can see here. It does grill, smoker, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate. And it does a couple of those very well. That's what I've done so far. But this is the new cooking setup. And so far, so good. So hopefully there'll be some cooking videos coming out with this. And I don't know if I said this the other day when I started this video, but basically this is my bench that I had. It's a workbench from Home Depot many years ago. And everything up here I had except for the pegboard. And if you know anything about me, you know I like to just reuse all the junk I have. So may not be perfect, but it works for me. So that's it. Things have changed, hopefully for the better. I loved my Green Mountain Grill's Davy Crockett pellet smoker, but this corner here was black. It was just black soot. Now I should have cleaned from time to time, but and I didn't want to go through all that again, and that's why I got this thing. So far, it does put out more smoke than I thought, but nothing like the pellet smoker. I just have my little fans on and it blows it out pretty good. But the Davy blew it straight up. Now I did think about making vents. I didn't want to cut into the walls. Don't want to cut into the screen. So that's what I got. And so far, he's impressed with the cooking. So as long as he's happy, we're happy. So that's it. Changes have been made. I've been busy. It's been a crazy time. And like I said, hopefully I can get some cooks recorded on this. But until then, Gary, what do you have to say? Huh? They can't see you very well. What do you have to say? Yeah, I know. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you in another one.